Hey everybody, this video is going to talk about using a calculator to evaluate exponential expressions involving base e. So we are given for the first problem, e to the negative 0.3. Now here's the difference between using a calculator to solve a expression with different bases, is that we take on our calculator, as long as it's a basic calculator, on graphing calculators you can plug in the whole thing directly and it will work, but we have to take the 0.3 and make it negative, and then we use this e button because this is our displayed value, the negative 0.3, and we're going to take e to the power of the displayed value, which is going to be exactly what we're looking for here. Go ahead and click that button and we get 0.741 if we're talking about to the nearest thousandth. So this one would be 0.741. Now the 0 here is in the thousandths place, and then I look to the 8 and that's 5 or more, so it changes to a 1. Okay, now about the next one. For this one, we need to do it kind of a little backwards as well. So we take the 0.55 and then we take e to that number. So what we just found is the e to the 0.55. And then we have to take 215 and multiply by that. So we're going to take this and multiply by 215. And then we get 372.64. Let's look at the 9. That's 9 thousandths place. Look to the right of it. It's only a 3, so it's going to stay at a 9. So that's how you use a calculator for exponential expressions with base e.